Which of the following would be the most appropriate title for this passage? A. Mothers wean 70 million kids. B. Night scopes. C. Mother bats find their own pups. Or D. Somewhere in a cave in Texas. In order to find which would be the best title for this text, we have to find the one that best summarizes the main idea of our text. Let's go through each choice and see if it properly reflects the main idea of the text. A. Mothers wean 70 million kids. It's true that in the first sentence of our paragraph, we see that Mexican free-tailed bats wean their young colonies of up to 70 million mothers and pups. Note also that it says mothers and pups, not just kids. It's also true that this text focuses on the mother bats weaning their babies. However, the point isn't how many babies they wean, but that in such an enormous group, the mothers can still locate their children. Therefore, this wouldn't make an appropriate title for our text. B. Night scopes. Night scopes are mentioned in the last paragraph of our text, which tells us that they are devices that multiply the available light several thousand times. The paragraph goes on to tell us that the researchers would use these night scopes to watch mother bats search for their babies. However, this is far from being the main point of the text, and a big hint to that is that these are only mentioned in the last paragraph, with the first two paragraphs making no mention of them at all. Therefore, this too would be an inappropriate title. C. Mother bats find their own pups. This is a theme we see throughout the text, with the first paragraph showing us how a zoologist has shown that a mother bat can find her own pup from among the millions, the second showing us that only a very small percentage of bats are nursing babies who aren't theirs, and the last paragraph showing us how the mother locates her baby amongst the millions of bats. Because the theme of mother bats finding their own pups is seen consistently throughout the text, this would make an excellent choice for a title for our passage. Let's check out D just in case. D. Somewhere in a cave in Texas. Although it's true that the text tells us that Gary McCracken and his assistants did the research on the walls of Davis Cave in south-central Texas, this is far from the main point of the text. Even if the location wasn't listed, the text would make perfect sense. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and C. Mother bats find their own pups can be marked as our final answer.